with the meeting today, we want to present the current status of our entire Build for People project. And for me in particular, it was important to present the toolbox for sustainable neighborhood development and transformation of the city of Phnom Penh and the individual components, and to get some feedback on that in order to know how to move forward. Well, my impression is that we got both from His Excellency Mr. Vanak Singh, but also from staff from the city administration and one person from the Ministry for Land Use, Urban Planning and Construction, quite positive feedback. We got some input, what they consider is important. And so I would say it was really positive, and it really encourages us to go on with this also to the next phase of the Build for People project.